My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Audi A3. This vehicle has done 69,000 miles. It has a semi-auto transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen we can get quick access to navigation, Bluetooth, radio and media. We also have Audi Connect and Audi smartphone. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with the parking sensors. And we also have the choice of 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.